Hi, this is Rumeysa. I will present the work that Donaji, Mayra, Ufuk can enhance. Our research focuses on two main questions. For the first one, it verifies prior work findings for 2D drawing that found a difference in accuracy between drawing and tracing. Second one is inspected eye-hand coordination to understand the interplay between the two modalities. We propose the use of a hybrid segmented visual guide design that's called Discrete guide. To conduct the experiment, we used three guides, which are full guide, no guide, and discrete guide. Additionally, there were three sides, two shapes, and two directions. We conducted our experiment with 18 participants, and they drew 36 different conditions in total. In our results, we analyzed how visual guide affects the user temporal performance. We calculated the average drawing time for each condition in our experiment. Graph A shows that people drew faster without visual guides than with discrete and continuous guides. We also found that our participants drew lines faster than circles and smaller shapes faster than the larger shapes. Lastly, we identified that our participants drew faster on the lateral plane than the depth plane. Secondly, we investigating how visual guides affect the user drawing accuracy. We found that our participants drew better with discrete and continuous guides than without guides for shape likeness and line precision. Lastly, we examined how the guide affects the gait behavior. For fixations, the results show that participants looked more to the cursor with continuous guides. Similarly, when looking at the angle, the results show that participants looked closer to their hands with the no-guide condition in terms of the angles, and looked closer to their hands with the discrete guide. For the discussion part, with both types of visual guides, users were more accurate at the expense of time. Counter to our expectation, we did not find an effect on drawing accuracy or completion time compared to using the continuous guide. The user feedback, in contrast, showed a clear preference toward the discrete guides. For the eye-hand coordination, we identified that users fixate at their cursor but also at their hands represented by the degrees between their gaze and the cursor. After all, we did not observe any significant difference between continuous and discrete guides in terms of speed and accuracy, but participants preferred the discrete guides. We also found out that the eyes of the participants were focusing more frequently on the cursor with the discrete guides. Our work stands as a basis for the integration of eye tracking into immersive design applications, and we believe that understanding and enhancing the user's eye-hand coordination can lead to mitigating some of the issues of spatial sketching, while potentially unveiling the new interactive designs to assist users when they sketch with visual helpers. Thanks for listening. For any questions, please contact me.